Welcome to day 3. So today I'm going to show you my ultimate favorite tool, which is called NotebookLM. You need a Google account for this. It is free and there's so many millions of use cases. But today I'm going to help you make sense of all your insurance policies. So obviously we only have 3 minutes, so I can't give you an in-depth overview of NotebookLM, but just to quickly show you what I've done, I've uploaded some fake insurance policies. Obviously you can upload your proper insurance policies, and it sits here in the left under sources. Now why Notebook is amazing is it only use what you curate and put in here. So if we're going to ask a question about the Olympics, it's not going to answer it because we've only fed it what we want it to take from. In the middle here, we have the chat functionality and a summary one. So you can maybe say, if my geyser burst, what happens? Because I've uploaded my insurance policy for my home, my life, and my car. These are not mine. I'm just saying this is the ones we've chosen. So now it will tell us. Let's see, claims protocol, and you can actually go through this and just make so much more sense of it and not having to read a 90-page PDF, right? Okay, then on the right here is the studio where the magic happens. Now, if you love to read long pieces of text, then that's amazing. But if you're like me and you want to use different ways to learn, then the studio functionality is amazing. Now remember again, it only takes from the left what you've included. Remember, you can also include websites, YouTube videos, copy text, Google Drive, PDFs. You can upload videos, you can upload audio files, whatever you have handy on one topic, and then you can start chatting. Now here on the right, I've already created some of the elements, but within a minute, you can have an entire mind map to show you everything in your policy in a way that's so much easier to understand. You can also have a podcast. We can also have an actual video, and all of these things you can download and you can view it in your own time. So it really is quite amazing, all the little things you can do. You can even do an infographic, which will, depending on how you customize it, will be amazing or very thorough or very simple. And every time you see a little pencil, that's when you know you can actually go and change things and give it more instructions, make it short, have a presenter slide, and then hit generate. And the other thing too is you can have a podcast, which you can even interact with and speak to the podcast people or people. And you can also have a slide deck, which is a very new feature, and it will create an entire slide deck of your insurance policy. So amazing, right? So as you can see, you can share all of these things, you can download them. You can also share the entire notebook, but there are just so many different ways. But maybe go and find all your insurance policies, upload them, and ask some proper questions of things that you've been putting off or you don't actually know how to ask. Good luck.